I built this tiny power bank for my VR headset because the battery kept dying mid-game, which was super annoying, and every solution I tried was a pain. Then I checked what's available online and changed my mind pretty fast. So I decided to build my own solution. I started digging around my place and found some useful parts that could help. I'm not great at electronics, but I think I have enough skills to make it work. Alright, time to model the case around the hardware. First, the main body to feed all the parts, screw holes, wire channels, the side cover, more screw holes with the switch slider, a holder for the USB port, wire channels again, rounded grooves for the batteries, and finally the top cover. I found a great 3D model of my headset and imported it into Fusion. I used the USB port area to shape the case for the better fit, and of course more screw holes for this part. And finally I added a cutout and grooves for the Velcro strap. Alright, let's print it! Nice. First I heat set brass threaded inserts for the screws, so everything stays solid and doesn't strip over time. Now it's time to solder all the electronics parts together. I'm sorry my dear wife, I need to borrow a cable for this mega project. Let's set the output to the correct voltage, soldering all the necessary wires plus extra LEDs to show charging when the power is on, cutting off one leg of the switch, then solder it, and finally the battery contacts. Alright, everything's ready to assemble. Installing and securing the USB port and the switch holder, then the cathode contacts. Power switch, soldering the cathodes, now the anodes, closing the side cover, and tighten all 4 screws. Dropping in the batteries, switch slider, closing everything with the top cover, making sure every screw is tight, and final piece goes into place. And the last one, adding the Velcro strap and stitching it so it doesn't come loose. Now it just needs a full charge. Time to mount it on the headset, wrapping the Velcro strap around and securing it tightly. Okay, time to power it on. Nice. So now I can play much longer with no annoying cables.